Hi everyone, this is your life and law of attraction master coach Gagandeep Siidhu. Welcome to my channel Positive Minds TV. If you are new here, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss out on any law of attraction videos and any mindset related videos which can just change your life altogether. Okay, so without wasting much time, I want to give you a tool for law of attraction which is very simple, and of course there are pointers to it that how you manifest it. So today we're going to talk about a very important tool of law of attraction and the most simplest of them. Okay, so we're going to talk about the magic check. Yes, we're going to talk about the magic check. This is how the magic check looks like. Okay, you can download it from the Secret TV, or you can find the link in the description below that you can download this check. Okay, so how, before filling in the magic check, let's go to the basics which need to be there. Okay, so of course, as a law of attraction process, you need to be on a higher vibrations. You need to practice gratitude. You need to be on a frequency of the universe where you are thinking abundantly, or you're in the process of that. So be grateful about things, synchronize yourself to the energy of universe and let go. Let go is the most difficult part, but don't worry about how and when of your manifestation. Okay, to repeat, you first set your intention, that what do you want and why do you want, because this is the most important part of it. If you want an X amount to be manifested, why do you want to manifest it? For example, you might want to do an international trip in 2021 and you need 2 lakh rupees for that. So write a magic check that you will spend that 2 lakh rupees on your international trip. Okay, so the intention has to be clear, that why do you want to manifest this money. Once you have decided what do you want, you have to then go on a gratitude frequency, follow the law of attraction activities by changing your daily routine about being grateful, about being opportunist, about looking at the opportunities around you and looking at the positive aspects of life. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. And third step is of course filling in the magic check, and fourth is that keep this magic check handy with you, or paste it anywhere on your TV screen or on your mirror, somewhere near your bed or in your wallet where you can see it every day. How it's the best way of doing it is that it is recommended that you look at this magic check every day and you visualize the money has already manifested and you're doing what you want to do with that money which has been manifested on a specific date. Without wasting time, let's just start with filling the magic check. I will give you the contents of it and the instructions in the description below. Okay, so of course you see this check, it is from the gratitude bank of universe, which of course states that gratitude is the most important aspect of life, and it says pay. You have to write your own name and the amount you want to manifest in the section, and to the order of that what amount you want and for what purpose you need it, and it's signed by the universe. Okay, and put a date by when you want this money to be manifested. Okay, and also recommended you can put your name at the back also. So this is a very simple strategy. So but yes, once you have filled this money magic check, you just need to hold it every day, visualize the money is coming to you, and things will happen. As just trust the universe. There are few do's and don'ts which I want to share with all of you. Is primarily that most of the people can just say that, oh Gagan, this doesn't work for me. So on asking, somebody filled he was just earning less than lakh rupees a month, and he or she filled a magic check of 6 crore rupees by end of 2019. Look, it is possible that anything can happen, but of course your own vibrational match, your own self-worth and the laws of universe also take their own time. Okay, so that you say, okay, let me pull in 6 crores and it might happen. No, it's not going to manifest like that, because if you are not on a vibrational frequency of universe and you don't have a plan, or even if you don't have a plan, you need to be on the self-worth, that if I say, oh, let me try 6 crore, let me, if it happens, it's okay. No, you have to have a complete trust in the universe. To eradicate that, my recommendation to all of you viewers is that start small. Like for example, I started small. I wrote my first magic check in 2015 that, of 40,000 rupees, that I wanted a new phone. Yeah, so I wrote a magic check of 40,000 rupees that I need a new phone, and that's the purpose. I wanted to manifest that money. And tell you what, 2 days before the date I put into the magic check here, I received 38,500 rupees out of nowhere, right? And do you think I was happy or sad? Sad, because it was not exactly 40,000. Nah. So it's primarily, 1,500 less or more would not have made a difference, but at least I made a quantum leap in manifesting the money which I wanted and for the purpose I wanted. So I bought a new phone, right? So that's how. And there's so many success stories of 1,000+ clients who have helped in last 4 years using the magic check. So start with the lower amount and go as you as you can manifest. And if you have a brilliant idea, just execute it. Maybe there have been cases where people have written higher amount than what they think they could, but then they had a subconscious idea that how they can make it, and they were constantly improving their vibrations and thinking about why and what do they want to do with that money. So they had brilliant ideas. Some people have been authors, they have been selling books and made money. So everything is possible, but recommendation is start slow. Second most important the aspect is that you need to make sure that you are in total emotional state of visualizing the money which is coming to you. Okay, for example, I was visualizing, okay, I'm holding this every day, that okay, I have now manifested this money. I have the cash which I'm handing over to the shopkeeper, and he is opening up the phone I want. I'm getting the the screen guard done and selecting a phone guard or phone cover, and then making a first call to my family that I've bought a new phone. So this emotions are very important. Law of attraction is always about emotions, how good you feel about yourself. And exceptionally, after that, I've manifested international trips, great job opportunities, great business opportunities, and also many other aspects of it which were indirectly related to money, but about the outcome, that how I want to spend that money. Okay, so I will give some detailed instructions in the description about how to fill the law of attraction magic check. You can download it from the Secret TV, link in the description, which you can use, and then just write the magic check and wait for the magic to happen. So be on a gratitude frequency, be kind, look around the opportunities, and just let it go. Don't worry about how and when. How and when is not your problem. So like you just ordered something on Amazon, on any online website, you have placed your order, you have paid the money, and you wait for 2 to 3 days. So you don't look at, okay, has it moved from go down 1 to go down 2, has it got to the retailer, has it got to the courier guy, is he tracking, where is the scooter, where is this bike? No, you just wait and relax. So similarly, in law of attraction, just place your order, trust the process, don't care about how and when, enjoy your life, be on a higher frequency. Okay, and last and most important point is that money may not come in the form of money. Let me explain that to you. The money that you want to desire, it can come as a bank refund, it can come as a any international trip gift voucher, or it can be any gift with that, any item which you wanted, somebody gifts you that, or any business opportunity, an email which you haven't read, which can do wonders to you. So do that. So look around the opportunities. Don't just focus on that money will come into my bank account, somebody will give you that hard cash. No, it can be various ways. It's again a limiting belief that you don't get income tax refunds. I've seen million people receiving it. It's just that you haven't got it. That's the reason your belief is like that. So don't care about how and when, and also the money can come in any form. So be open to receive it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please click the bell icon and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on other amazing videos which I'm going to make for you. Okay, and for any programs, we have 10-day money manifestation program as well as a 21-day law of attraction program. Please visit my website, book your one-to-one sessions or enroll for our programs which will help you achieve lot through law of attraction practices. Okay, so stay connected for your daily dose of positivity. This is Vitamin G signing off.